here to talk about any court case with you, so please can you leave? Is the baby in?
What's up, Berrydos? This is Duttyberry and welcome to another countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now today is all about this. This is not Amber Heard and Johnny Depp, but might as well. This is practically the Jamaican version. Just them on a celebrity and them some of the regular people. So it's a man and woman affair, and it seems as if this man and him woman them separated, but the woman upset, so she make her way down to her baby father yard. While at her baby father yard, she realized say our baby father is there, and then some conversation go start and things took a turn. Take a look.
What point that even make you?
Mommy, no, do you need to answer or anything that Mr. go and talk, alright?
Miss Porter, you get me answer to you? As a mother. Mr. Porter ever try to take a Kishan or Omar from you?
Because she never try to withhold.
Wait, excuse me.
Mommy, just tell us in a conversation with her.
Wait, These things in the court, right? All I want to talk about in the court.
Yeah, but why my camera go court to take with me baby?
Anyhow, when we reach the court, we talk about that.
When they have a baby Kishan, they don't have island dreams of sex.
Yes.
So why me think, why right for me lay down and take a cut and then you try to take my baby from me? That be a understand.
Chanel, mommy, please.
Let's not talk about the court case, alright?
Okay, please.
So
Miss Chanel, my mother is not here to talk about any court case with you, so please can you leave? Is the baby in danger? Is the baby in distress?
Yes, the baby is in danger.
Okay.
I never you me catch up. Me have a video with him. The video with him. Back down his fist. I watch all sort of nastiness and I back down his fist.
Alright, everybody can witness you there. I make a bag of noise. Environment. Place was nice and quiet. Chanel.
And what? What are they gonna do?
We are asked kindly to leave.
I ask her, please can we move out of my face?
Mommy, you are the owner of this residence. Please, may I ask her kindly to ask her to leave. Mommy, stop. She stabbed me in my neck. I have to go to hospital now. She stabbed me in my neck, mommy. Come on, she just stabbed me in my neck. I have a video. See her there. Relax, mom. Relax. Calm, Jake, fast.
Jano, the woman never do that and run off. The woman did not do that. She did not take her hand and forgot hit the brother in her neck or stab the brother in her neck. No, this ain't cool. And the poor mother is just there, she's just stuck. The mother is there and she's just lost for words. I can tell that this situation has been stressing her out for quite a while. No man, this is just so unfortunate, and that the kids will have to see this on social media. Anyway, it seems as if the girl, I guess she realize the backlash she get, and so she took to social media now for just share fair side of the story, I guess.
The baby when she come visit, why she come back with blood in her underwear, and me keep on been a talk about this, been a make report. My older daughter tell me say she's been molested by you know who. Not call nobody name, cause me not stop get lawsuit from me left this nigga. And I left this nigga because he got too kinky. And me catch him a watch. Well, me not catch him a watch child porn. Me catch him a masturbate while watching other children on his phone. Me see him a look and pick the picture and a masturbate. I tell my mother, and me did frustrate him, never know what to do. Me talk to him about it, he say have a problem and he need counseling. He did not deny anything at all. And this was like from before Corona broke out. Anyhow, him say me that go get counseling and him did want me to follow him. But him never did really want to get no counseling. He was just sorry he got caught. Anyhow, the fact is, what caused that incident to happen. Me I talk to him mother about the blood in the baby underwear and why all of these keep happening and him still a try to take my baby from me when me love so much and me grow so well. She don't even know how to talk patois. She don't even know how to talk patois. If you listen to my baby, she sound like a white child. She used standard English with an accent because that's how I trained her to talk. Like a society person with status at her age. I grow my pitney them good. I don't drink around my kids. I don't smoke. Do any kind of nothing around my pitney them. Can take them and question them in front or behind me. When I'm at my yard, I'm a mother first and foremost. My yard when me run a home and no ends. It's a home, not a house. My pitney them grow good. The whole community can attest to that. My pitney they not even go outside, go play it. While the people them cuss me in the community, me go make the pitney them play in the dirt and me tell them no, they have their tablet, they have their room where they sleep in, they have their playroom, they have their den, they have everything inside to then comfort with.
Me don't like nothing about the story, yeah. Me don't like nothing about it. But Berry does this is a countdown quickie, so I can't really stay too long. So let me know what you think about this situation with this man and this woman, and who you think really wrong and who you really believe in at this point in time. Alright, so this is another countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Please sound off in the comments. Alright, tata.